In Contact Form 7, there's no default address field. However, with the Essential Add-ons for Contact Form 7 plugin, you can easily add one. In this video, we'll guide you how to include an address field in your form. Navigate to WordPress dashboard, Plugins, Add New, search Essential Add-ons for Contact Form 7, install and activate the plugin. To enable the address field, navigate to the Contact Form 7 menu, Essential Add-ons. From the Fields tab, enable the address field. Navigate to any existing form or create a new one, add the address tag, where you want to display address fields in your form. Enter custom name, ID, class, format, select required fields, click Insert Tag button, and save changes. Copy the shortcode and paste inside any page or post. Your customized address fields will now be visible inside your Contact Form 7.